Welcome to the presentation by Alicia Royce regarding Legislative Bill H.R. 519, Tax-Free Health Insurance Act of 2019. So, what is Bill H.R. 519? Well, Bill H.R. 519 is a legislative bill to amend the Internal Revenue Code of 1986, although it is more commonly known as the Tax-Free Health Insurance Act of 2019. Can the government demand tax on health insurance premiums paid? The answer is yes, they can, but there is currently an existing law that allows taxpayers to get credit and deduct the health insurance premiums paid on their taxes. This new Tax-Free Health Insurance Act ensures that they can get the credit, their spouse can get the credit, they can get credit on their dependent health insurance premiums, and it doesn't matter whether they itemize or not. Is an individual more likely to buy health insurance when there is a tax credit? Short answer is yes. And what does having health insurance mean? Well, it means a lot of things. Ultimately, has a great impact on an individual's overall health. Again, H.R. 519 is a legislative bill that allows tax deductions for what is considered medical care insurance. The taxpayer is going to get credit for insurance premiums paid, so if a person who doesn't get health insurance from their employer is going to receive credits. Thank you for joining this presentation. Have a great day.